why you should consider buying a 98 to 2011 Ford Ranger. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and take a look at the other Ford Rangers that we have on the channel. Hope you enjoy the video, and here it is. The first reason why you should buy yourself a Ford Ranger is the styling. The styling of the vehicle has aged oh so gracefully over the years. I absolutely love how this thing looks, and I think it still looks pretty fresh and modern, especially compared to the new Ford Ranger and the new smaller mid-sized trucks. Those trucks just look kind of bloated and very boxy, and well, maybe not boxy, but very like rounded off. I just think the styling of these older Rangers are just they're so good looking, and with a couple mods that obviously this Ranger does not have, you can get this thing looking pretty dang good. Like if this had mud terrains and maybe some LED lights and even some cab lights up on top, it would look nasty. Not as nasty as this thing though. A burnout. Good Lord. Be sure and subscribe to the channel right now. Good Lord. So the second reason why you should get yourself a Ford Ranger is I think it's just the perfect all-around truck. It's not too big, it's not too small. If you ever need to tow or haul anything, it has a decent sized bed. It's a 6-foot bed, and then it also offers 4-wheel drive. Not all of them came in 4-wheel drive, but I was lucky enough to get mine paired to 4-wheel drive. And speaking of the capability, it does have a single overhead cam 4-liter V6 engine. And because it's a truck, it should tow. And it certainly does just that. I towed a 6x12 U-Haul trailer about 8 hours, and that thing, like this, just it knocked it out of the park. It was no big deal for it, and it handled it just fine. The third reason why you should get yourself a Ford Ranger is the MPG, and these trucks are pretty dang good. With this truck having the 4-liter single overhead cam V6 engine, I get about 21 miles per gallon city and 26 highway. Although some models are equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, I believe, from certain model years. I'm not sure exactly when, but obviously those things would get better gas mileage than this. So the fourth reason why you should consider getting yourself a Ford Ranger, excuse the mess, please, but you can get the truck in a cab and a half or a single cab. And in case you need to put someone in the back in just a pinch, you got some fold down seats back here. Oh yeah, they are not comfortable though. And the fifth and final reason why you should consider getting yourself a Ford frickin' Ranger is because of this right here. Yes, that's right, a freaking stick shift was offered for these trucks. I think that's pretty dang cool, and in a time where most cars are going to, you know, dual clutch transmissions, and you know, there's no trucks left on the market today that offer a manual transmission, besides the newest Toyota Tacoma, I believe, offers a manual. So it's pretty cool that these Rangers came in a manual. If you liked this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Check out the other videos on the channel that we have. As you saw in the video, Walker was doing a burnout in his Genesis. He's been doing a lot of cool stuff to that vehicle, so definitely check out what he's got in store for that, and then check out the Ranger content we have on the channel. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.